Stop leaving money on the table. Take your money with you. Get cash back on things that you already buy and then put it in the stock market to make you more money. See? I just cracked how to be wealthy. Hi everybody, my name is Adana and welcome to Secrets and Kept. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to save money. Some of the best Chrome extensions that will save you money. Like, I'm trying to look out for you guys. I'm just trying to look out for you guys. You're welcome. All right, let's be serious. Like, honestly, I like money and I want to keep more of it. I would rather keep as much of it as possible. So I am going to share with you some of the best Chrome extensions that will save you money. And this is for Google Chrome. So it's really easy to download Google Chrome. Just Google Chrome and you can literally just download it, I promise you. All of these extensions are free. So not only do they save you money, but they're also free. So you don't have to pay anything to get the savings. I will tell you what they're about, how they work, and how you can install them. All of the extensions I mentioned, I will link in the description box below. So it's a lot easier for you guys to just grab and go. I wanted to first start off with things that I mentioned in the past, and the first one being Rakuten. As I said before, Rakuten is an extension or an app that basically allows you to save money by giving you cash back on things that you're already purchasing. So they make a commission off of you purchasing through their site, and once you purchase through their site, they actually share that commission with you. I love these types of companies that share their commission checks with us because we're already shopping. Why not get back some of that money that we were going to just spend and keep it in our pockets? I don't have pockets right now, but if I did, I would keep my money in my pocket or in the bank or in an investment. That's probably get cash back on things that you already buy and then put it in the stock market to make you more money. See, I just cracked how to be wealthy. I'm sure it's a little bit more involved than that, but at least with Rakuten, you have that option. You can literally save some money, get some cash back for what you're already buying, and keep that for yourself. Keep it in your pocket, in the bank, or put it in the stock market and put it back into Rakuten stocks if they have it. How you can get started is basically you start with the Rakuten app or the Chrome extension, and then you find the store that you want to go to, you shop like normal, and then you earn cash back. Isn't that a beauty? Isn't that amazing? Like, come on, why wouldn't you want cash back? I think everybody should want cash back, for sure. When you hit a certain threshold, you pass that money to go straight into your PayPal. It's really easy. There's even stores that earn you double the money. So each store really has a certain percentage of a cash back that you're going to get if you shop with them, basically. So as you can see here, it's very easy to add the Chrome extension. You just get the button after you go onto their website and hit add Chrome extension. That's it. You just added your Chrome extension and you can get cash back really easy. Now I want to go in and go to my next extension that will help save you money, and I've mentioned this in a previous video, my 3 easy side hustles. This will also save you money, and it's very similar to Rakuten. It's Ibotta. They do basically the same thing. So they get a commission for sales that happen through their site or through their app, and then they return those savings to you. Like, I love these. And one of the things that differentiates Ibotta from Rakuten that I really like is that you can get cash back from your groceries. So Rakuten, I haven't noticed you can actually like go and after you've already shopped somewhere and submit a receipt, and they'll be able to recoup you some of that money, but Ibotta does. On every shopping trip, you are guaranteed at least like 25 cents for random items, then that adds up But they also have a lot of retailers that they're partnered with that they get a percentage of that they can give back to you. And I don't see why you wouldn't. I use Ibotta a little bit more than I use Rakuten, but it's very worth it. I've racked up hundreds of dollars of cash back. I need to actually cash out, but I'll keep it there for now. I just love it. Like, I shop all the time on Amazon, so I just need to make sure that when I'm shopping, I go to either Rakuten or Ibotta, and I get that. And with the web extension, it makes it a little easier, to be honest with you. Now, I just want to show you how you can go about this. We are on the Ibotta homepage right here, and all you need to do, just like Rakuten, is just press a simple button, press one more, add extension, and that's it. You now have a Chrome extension for Ibotta. How it works is you've got the browser extension. All you need to do is shop and earn, and it's as simple as that. Now that you see that, why wouldn't you want to get cash back? Like, Ibotta is special because you can like go to a grocery store and get money back off of your groceries. Your groceries! You can get money back on your groceries! Now come on, that is a great deal. Everybody buys groceries, so why not just make money back from them? Even if it is 25 cents. So my next way for you to save money with a Chrome extension, it's actually not a Chrome extension, but it's pretty close to it. Once you establish everything, it actually works pretty seamlessly, kind of like a Chrome extension. So it's Parabus. It does several things. It watches for price drops. It watches for when your deliveries come in, and it also helps you with returns. So when a price drops, it'll notify you that a price dropped. And if you've been looking at it, if you had it in your cart, you'll know when to buy it at the best price. And one of the things that I use it for most of the time is for my Amazon packages, or sometimes my Amazon packages come in late and I am a Prime member, so I expect my packages to come in 2 days, because that's the promise. What Paribus does is that it tracks your packages and tracks when it was supposed to come in, and if it doesn't come in on that specific date, they look at the policy and then they actually help you with requesting money back for the late delivery. I can't tell you how much money I've gotten back just by using Parabus. And I didn't know this, but they actually also, if you want to return something and it might have been past what you think is the return date, they will actually help you, and they'll track when you bought it and look at their return policy and help you return it, so you're not stuck with something you don't want just because you feel like it's past the date. It's pretty simple. It scours your inbox to make sure that you are not taken advantage of from these big companies. That's all. It connects with your inbox and then monitors your purchases. And at the end of the day, it basically just saves you money. It's amazing. It's really cool that they can do that they will help us, because oftentimes we forget and we just leave money on the table. Stop leaving money on the table. Take your money with you. They're the kind person who sees you drop a $20 bill, picks the $20 bill up and chases after you, instead of pretending they didn't see anything, and then, steps on the $20 bill so no one else sees that it's been dropped, and then just takes it for themselves. No, they'll run after you and say, hey, you dropped something. Here's your money back. Like, why wouldn't you want that? I do, and that's why I got it. It's really simple to add the Chrome extension. Parabus is from Capital One. But did you know that Capital One also has Capital One Shopping, where they basically do the same thing that Ibotta and Rakuten does? They give you money back based off of what you're already buying. And they help you apply coupons so that you're getting the best deals from the start. So not only are you getting coupons so you can save on something that you wanted to buy, but you also get money back at the same time. Like, it's like getting money back twice. Like, what? I feel like everyone's like, Adana, calm down. It's not that deep. It's not. But I like saving money, so I get excited when I apply these things and know that it's just happening for me a lot of the time. It's gonna remind me to do it with these extensions. Capital One, I see you. I see you. My last but not least favorite Chrome extension that will save you money is Honey. Did you see what I did there? Did you see what I did there? That was cute, right? That was really cute. And if you don't already know, Honey is an extension that will apply coupon codes for you to get you the best deal, so you don't have to waste your time looking for coupon codes. Like, literally, sometimes I still do it even after Honey, but I would realize that Honey had already done those codes that I started doing over again, so I just simply trust Honey. One of the things that Honey does is not only applies coupon codes for you, but it also watches things that you've been looking at and informs you when there's a drop or a shift in price. When there's a shift in price, they'll be like, hey, there's been a drop in the price of this item, there's been a drop in the price of this item. This item actually increased. I wouldn't suggest buying that, but yeah, they will watch all of that, and it's pretty mindless because before you check out, Honey will automatically pop up like, do you want to check for coupons? Of course you want to check for coupons. Why wouldn't you want to check for coupons? It's very, very easy. I forgot to mention, Honey started doing this thing called Honey Gold. So if you don't get coupons, fine, but you can also like earn gold on specific items when you shop if you don't get coupons on them, and you can redeem it for like gift cards. I mean, gift cards, that's something. Normally I don't like gift cards or anything like that, but I'm not doing anything to work for it. It just happens automatically. And that is it. Oh my gosh. I love these Chrome extensions. They have probably saved me hundreds of dollars right now. I'm not joking. And I hope that you guys find them helpful and that you guys save a lot of money with them. I really do. Like, honestly, I feel like this information needs to be out there, and I really hope that you guys like this video. If you like these types of videos where I am informing you guys on tips on how to make money, save money, or anything to do with money, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification to know exactly when I'm posting, and tell me, are you guys going to get one of these? I hope you are. I'll link everything in the description box below, and let me know how your experiences are with them. And if you've already got them, which one is it and which one do you like the most? If I missed anything, please hook me up, let me know. I'm telling you my deals, so I would love for you guys to share the wealth. Please share this with other people that you feel would like to save money. And remember, all of these extensions are free, and they save you money and get you money back. So I really hope you guys like this video. I will be making more money related videos, so if you guys enjoy it, please remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.